54 cubic feet inside the box.
Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Yep. So you made your wall back farther.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's all reinforced. No MDF anywhere. All
So
birch.
what made you do something with this, with all this space?
I told Loud Grandpa I wanted a 160.
Yeah.
He worked on it for 1 week and got it all built up. Hey, I'm Nicholas. He got it all built for me, and now we're doing some incredible numbers, and I freaking love this build, man.
Awesome.
Loud Grandpa did an incredible job.
All right.
Sean Gilbert from Boom Inc., he's helped me hook up all the wiring and stuff.
Yeah, I love a demo, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
A little bit of a mess. We just got here. So.
That's all right. Wow. What's the ratio on this?
It's 4 to 1.
4 to 1?
It's a 4 to 1 ratio. I believe it's 54 cubic feet inside the box.
Wow. And this is the HDS 3s?
Yep.
615s. Because you went from 8 to 6.
Yep.
Did you gain?
Yes.
You did?
Yeah, because more power pushing them.
Yep. What are you wired to? 0.6, I'm guessing? Or?
It's a half ohm per amp.
Okay.
And what I did with the amps is I had the 1 amp on top pushing the bottom of the coils, and the other amp pushing the top, so it's kind of more evened out.
I see how you have it wired. Yeah, I know what you mean. Got it.
And then, yeah, it sounds so much better.
Awesome.
Man.
All right. What did you do on the meter?
We did a 160.9 at the last show.
Okay.
And then that was at 47 hertz.
Yep.
At 23 hertz, it's a 154.
Wow. Good bandwidth there.
It has awesome bandwidth.
Okay.
So what I do is I normally demo between 26 and 50.
Yeah.
And it loves it.
All right.
Alright. You have to bear with me for a second.
They're good.
I just got this done yesterday.
Sure thing.
I fucking suck at it.
everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.